Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete your search history on Google Chrome. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to delete your search history in your Google Chrome browser here, well, this one is quite easy. So there are two ways for you to actually delete your search history. So first things first, you want to open up your browser and you want to go and click on the three-dotted option at the top right here, and you want to look for the option that says delete browsing data. Now you can also access the setting by pressing pressing the following buttons together. So that's Control Shift Delete on your keyboard. So if you do press or click on it, it should redirect you, or if you click on delete browsing data in here, it should redirect you to this window. Now, another way for you to access this setting or section here is by going to the three-dotted option here, going to your settings that you see at the very bottom, and you want to go ahead and look for the option for privacy and security, and you should see delete browsing data as well in here. So yeah, so what do we need to do here? So there are multiple options here to delete your data. So if you only want to delete the last 15 minutes of your browsing history, you can go and choose last 15 minutes. If you want to delete the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 day, or if you want to delete the last 4 weeks or even all time here, depends on your preference. And also, as you can see, like for example, I want to delete the last 15 minutes. You also have the option to show more. If you click on show more, it should give you other options here. Like for example, if you want to delete the autofill data form data. So if you notice something, like if you type something into a website, sometimes they will autocomplete certain words for you. So that's what autofill form data actually does for you. And also, if you save like site settings or hosted app data here, you can also select them if you want to delete those data. Now, from here, you could also deselect a few things, like if you want to, if you don't want to delete your download history. So it is still recommended that you include download history here. So like either ways depends on your preference. But once you've selected everything that you need here, you go and just click on delete data at the bottom right of your screen, and that should delete the last 15 minutes of your browsing history. But then again, if you want to delete everything, just choose the more option here, click on all time, and that should include all the data. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.